Hello dear one, welcome to our channel and in our second class, and today we shall concentrate on key F sharp starting with its sofa ladder notation. Remember, we said that the sofa ladder notation is what we term as do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, and we said that it uses 7 keys of the 12 keys in music. So it's 7 out of the 12 keys. And remember, we discussed and said that we have a major scale rule, or the sofa ladder rule, which is 2Fs, 3Fs. That is full tone, semitone, full tone, semitone rule. So 2 full tone followed by a semitone, then 3 full tones followed by a semitone. And as we discussed in our last class, this is the sofa ladder of key F sharp. This is F, and so we see the key that follows F is the key F sharp. So F sharp, that is a full tone, semitone, full tone, semitone. So it's from what we have written here, we have F sharp as 1, G sharp as 2, A sharp as 3, B as 4, C sharp as 5, D sharp as 6, F as 7, and back to F sharp. So those are the keys that we use: F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp. That is the sofa ladder notation of key F sharp. And as we said, these are 7 out of the 12 keys that we learned in music. Now let's use this to get the 3 steps, the 3 major steps out of the 7 steps. The first step, we use 1, 3, and 5. From what we can see here at the top, 1 is F sharp, 3 is A sharp, and 5 is C sharp. So let's get to our keyboard and get hold of that. 1 is F sharp, 3 is A sharp, this is A, so A sharp. Our 5 is C sharp, this is the C sharp, so this is step number 1. You can try to play it with me. Let's get back to our booklet. Get to step 4. So our step 4, we have 1, we have 4, and we have 6. 1 is F sharp, 4 B, 6 D sharp. So let's get back to keyboard. 1 is F sharp, 4 is B, and 5 is D sharp. So that is the step number 4. If you press step 1 to step 4, let's get back and learn step 5. Step 5, we have 7, we have 2, and we have 5. 7 is F, 2 is G sharp, and 5 C sharp. So let's get to our keyboard. 7 F, This is 7. Our 2 is G sharp. And our 5 is C sharp. So this is our step number 5. So if we play from 1, we go to 4, we get back to 1, and we get to 5. This is what we mostly use to play the simple choruses that we have. For example, kama siyo wewe ningekuwa wapi mimi. You see the progression from 1 to 4, back to 1, then to 5. Jina la Yesu ni ngome yangu. Jina la Yesu ni ngome yangu. Nitamkapo jina hilo, ngome nyingine sina. You can try this using your left hand. And under this case, we use the thumb, the first finger, and the last finger. So get hold of it. Jina la Yesu ni ngome yangu. So that is the simplest way to play such choruses. The assignment for you is try to play this using both hands so that tomorrow we may learn on the inversions for the 3 steps. Thank you. Stay connected.